Quelf, how to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to get to the final space on the path. Shuffle each deck of cards and place them face down within reach. Lay out the game board, and each player picks a token and places it on start. Pick a player to go first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, roll the die and move that many spaces forward around the board, then draw a card from the deck that matches the color you landed on. Read the card aloud and obey the card. If you land on a green space, then the player to your right must draw it and read it for you. When a card is a timed card, use the timer for your task, starting it once you finish reading. Classified cards are read silently to yourself. Once you have completed the card, discard it without anyone seeing. Some cards have special rules, just follow what they say. Every card has a penalty. Move backwards that many spaces if you cannot successfully complete a card, or you get a card's answer wrong. If you cannot safely follow the instructions on a card, then draw a new one without penalty. Blue rules cards can last for more than one turn. If you break a rule on a blue card and no one catches you, then you don't get the penalty. At any time during the game you want to get rid of all your blue rules cards, you can do so by moving your piece back to start. If a card tells you to do something that would break a rule on a card already in play, ignore the rule until the card is done. On the green Quizzle cards, even if you get the first question wrong, you can still attempt to answer the extra credit question. If you need an object for a card but don't have one, then draw a new card without penalty. The red Scatterbrainz card is where everyone gets to play. Pick a topic, then, beginning with you and proceeding clockwise, each player must give one answer that hasn't already been said. If you don't have an answer, take too long, or give an answer already said, then you take the penalty and the answer giving stops. When you reach the finish space, it must be by exact count. Then, you complete a Scatterbrainz card, but you must give a second answer when it gets back around to you. If you do, then you win.